Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Lige man's smartwatch with metal strap. It's a 1.39 inches military smartwatch with heart rate monitor, blood pressure measurement, and of course sleep monitor too. For Android smartphones and iOS smartphones, that means Apple devices, with 100 plus sports modes. It's a fitness watch which is IP67 waterproof and it comes with Bluetooth calls. In this case, it's silver. The silver version is also in black available on the market. We stay in top health with that smartwatch here. We monitoring our health. That has never been so easy. The Lige smartwatch is equipped with functions for data recording of the whole body, such as heart rate, blood pressure, and oxygen content in the blood. The data are only for reference only, but this is in every smartwatch the case. It also automatically monitors our sleep status and detects our wakeness, light sleep and deep sleep data. And we have 111 sport modes. If we are a fitness enthusiast, the Lige Sports Watch is our perfect training partner. With over 100 sports modes such as walking, running, cycling, football, climbing, and more, it records important daily data such as steps, distance traveled, and calorie burned. And with a powerful battery and a big compatibility. The watch is equipped with a large capacity battery and low power consumption, which is fully charged in just 2 hours and lasts 5 up to 7 days on a single charge. It is also compatible with the most Android and iPhones out there. Stylish and IP67 waterproof, the Lige fitness watch has a stainless steel strap and interchangeable silicone strap to meet individual needs. Whenever we dress for a formal session or a casual outing, we can easily switch between the two bands. It is waterproof up to IP67 and therefore perfect for rainy days. And message notifications and Bluetooth calls. We stay connected no matter where we are, with multiple app message notifications such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and it uses the hands-free function to answer calls. And we have more than 200 dials. With the Fit Cloud Pro, FitCloud Pro watch dial marketplace app, we have access to over 200 of dials from which we can choose to personalize our device. It's an all-in-one device. In addition, the smartwatch has multiple functions such as alarm clock, stopwatch, remote camera, sedentary reminder, a calculator, music control, and of course weather forecast. This making it the ideal all-in-one device for our active lifestyle. The app is the Fit Cloud Pro, which we have to download first. Then we go and pair them each other by using the app and Bluetooth, of course. And then we are ready. It's really easy. We make a full charge before using it the first time. Then we tap in the App Store Fit Cloud Pro and we download and pairing it. Of course, we have to make an account on the app, but this is for free. Okay, you does not have to pay anything for it. Then we go to it and make a pairing. Compatible system versions are Android 5.0 and above, and the iOS 10 and above. We open the Fit Cloud app and allow the permissions and add the device. We turn on the Bluetooth of our mobile phone. We open the Fit Cloud Pro app and we click Add a device and pair it. Then we check the watch menu about the MAC address, last four numbers like 5994. Then we go mobile phone settings, Bluetooth to search the same Bluetooth name with the four numbers, for example 5994 to finish Bluetooth connection. Then the operation job's done. But most of the time you does not need that because it comes with an automatic pairing mode. Then we have a time interface. Power on, long press, open key for 5 seconds, or power off, long press, open key for 5 seconds. We have two crones on it. One is the open button or crone and the other the back button or the back crone. It is rotatable and it's pushable. We change the watch face. Long press the screen over 3 seconds. And there are 7 built-in watch faces for choosing. But we can use more because we have the app, okay? Then we can download it to our app and then we can make a synchronization with the smartwatch. Really cool. And then we have heart rate detection, sleep tracker, steps counter, the weather app in the app or in the smartwatch, music control, and of course message notifications. The smart notification function of the smartwatch release on the notification bar of the mobile phone to work. We should make sure that we have allowed all permissions for the Fit Cloud Pro app. And of course, the Fit Cloud Pro app is running in the background on our smartphone. And then data synchronization. All the measured data from smartwatch will be synced on the Fit Cloud app automatically, including steps, sleep, heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, and trainings. And we can choose the watch faces. Over 100 watch faces are for choosing out. We could download and custom the watch face on the Fit Cloud app. And of course, notifications. We can turn it on the switch to the sync related information to the smartwatch. Phone, message, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, WeChat, Instagram, Skype, Kakao Talk, Line, and of course others. You see, it's really easy to operate with it because the 1.39 inches screen is touchable. You can swipe from the back, from the right to the left, from the up to the bottom, from the bottom up, and all of them have different functions behind. We can choose the buttons with the open and close button to switch the device on and off, the face on and off. And of course, you can bend a little bit your hand or your body arm, and then it will be switch on automatically. Of course, you can choose different sleep modes. That means it will go to sleep mode after 5 seconds, 20, 30 seconds as well. And this is power saving. So the runtime of it maybe should, if you are not a heavy user, it's not 7 days, of course. But if you're a standard user, it will go 3 days, I think. If you're a heavy user like me, you should reload it every day. But this is easy too because you have a USB-A cable to a lightning socket cable. And this is easy to connect because it comes with a magnetic interface. And then it's so easy. Switch the USB-A port to an AC adapter of your smartphone, for example, or an AC socket, or a laptop or a computer system, and the watch will reload easily and immediately because it's full after 2 hours. Easy going with the Lige man smartwatch. Of course, not only for men out there. You can choose this if you're a female too, of course, or something else. No problem for it. This is the Lige Swan smartwatch with metal strap, and the tool to use a different length of the metal strap is included, so you can adjust it like you like it. 1.39 inches military smartwatch with heart rate, blood pressure, sleep monitor for Android and iOS. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.